how to enable email new followers notifications on SoundCloud mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable email new followers notifications on SoundCloud mobile. First then open SoundCloud, and here we'll find this library here in the bottom corner. Click on it and then click in the top corner this one, and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click notifications. Now just scroll down until you find new follower and turn it on, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.